kakabalik ko pa lang galing sa States, tapos si Ken, after 2 weeks, nag-decision bumalik. Tapos, yun, nag-take kami ng test. Tapos, si Ken ay nag-YouTube. Para malaman kung positive or negative.
Panigurado lang, pero alam naman namin na parating na kung ano yung tamang kaganap.
What? Ultrasound clinic, me and my buddy, right here. And it's official, we're having a girl!
Una!
Dapat uno, naging una. So now it's a girl.
What's the date today?
Today is May 13. Okay? See you soon, Nancy! What up? So yun, after maraming usap-usap, we decided na yung name na ibibigay namin sa baby was actually Isabella Victoria Serrano. Pero nickname Una kasi si Ken, he always says yung the one up. And syempre yung the one, si God yun. So,
Yep.
bigay ni God si Una, so it just makes sense. Okay?
Yes.
Ayun. So, sabi nga ni Ken, hindi naging madali yung pregnancy. I have to admit, the first few months, parang I kind of hated it. Kasi syempre, di ako nakakain, di ako nakapasok, di ako nakagalaw. Tapos, bigla na lang isang araw, nawala na lahat ng sakit ng tiyan. Nagsimula na maging masarap. Nung lumalaki na paunti-unti yung tiyan ko, parang doon ko na nafe-feel na totoo na to, hindi lang siya yung parang bakit nangyayari sa akin to? Masaya na siya. So, ayun, in-enjoy ko yung bawat process, yung slowly paglaki ng katawan ko, yung pagbili ng mga maluluwag na damit, yung yung ultrasounds, like Ken said, parang unang marinig yung tibok, yung heartbeat ni Una. Yun, hindi naman ako naiyak, pero nag-drive, diba? Nag-drive tayo
Kalmado lang ako.
Brooks to Pacific Luban.
Kalmado lang ako.
Hindi siya kalmado. Buddy, what's happening? Why are you acting weird?
Emergency!
Why?
Una's coming out!
Talk properly. Why are you talking?
Una's coming out!
How?
Hazard, emergency! Hello!
Hey!
Coming out. Hello!
Stop honking. Are you excited?
Not really.
Okay.
Baby, see you soon! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Bansi. I love you.
Hindi pa talaga yun yung day. October 10, 2014. Hindi pa talaga yun dapat yung day. Dapat October 16. Pero that morning,
Siyempre,
I just...
sobrang excited.
Oo, sobrang excited. Nag-prepare naman kami. I thought we prepared as much as we could. Hindi siya talaga bumababa. Hindi siya lumalabas. So, eventually, yun, nilala kami nagpunta na kami ng emergency room. And then, it was decided with our doctor na cesarean na lang. Tiranggap ko na lang yon kahit na gusto ko talaga ma-experience yung giving birth. Pero, yun na, at the risk of Una's life. So, syempre, tanggapin mo na lang yun. Di ba, Bad? But, I was awake. I could see my stomach bukas. Nandun sa salamin sa taas. Nakita ko lahat ng nangyayari. And then, mabilis lang. Then, maya-maya, may narinig na akong iyak. Tapos parang naninigas na ako kasi parang hindi ko alam na excite ako. Ang lamig. Biglang nanlamig ako. Tapos, dinala siya doon, nilinis, pinunasan, tinanggal yung dugo, tapos dinala sa akin, tapos picture, kiss. Tapos yun na.
First time kong makita si Una, priceless talaga. Iyak pa siya ng iyak nun eh. Nung papasok ako nung nasa hallway, may narinig akong umiyak. Alam kong siya na yun. Tapos yun nga yung paglabas, pagpresenta sa akin, iyak siya ng iyak. Nung nalapitan ko, binulungan ko siyang gano'n, parang nilambing ko. Feel ko na naintindihan ako yung tatay niya bilang tumahimik, kumalma siya. So, sobrang sarap ng feeling. Yun yung unang-unang nag-meet kami.
Stop!
It's Pop-Up. Yes, yes, yes. It's Pop-Up. Can you hear me? You can hear me, right, baby? Yes, it's Pop-Up. It's Pop-Up. Yes. I love you, baby.
Daddy's girl na agad, no?
Hello,
Mas pala.
Daddy's
Can I kiss
girl.
her?
When it's cold outside and I'm here in vain, hold on to the night, there will be no shame. Always I wanna be with you and make believe with you and live in harmony, harmony all the
Good morning, Una. Yeah, good morning. Amazing morning, right? Mwah. Kisses from Pop-Ups again, like always, as always. Yeah, you like my good
Make
morning.
it easy to be near you. All the things you do endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. Yay! Pop-Ups.
So cute. Oh, come on.
Hi, Una, come on.
Hi, Una.
Una,
You can do it. Lift up your head.
Una, girl.
Let's go, baby girl. Come on, you can do it. Come on, baby.
It's okay.
Yan. Whoa, whoa,
One,
whoa.
two, push,
Up,
push, push.
up.
Kasi una sa lahat, sa mga bisita natin ngayon, ayoko sana talagang i-big deal masyado yung birthday.
Pero big deal kasi.
No, I know. Ayoko sana kasi parang, from my past experience, parang pag masyadong binibig deal, parang nakakatawa ako. Pero, yun, ayoko namang ipagdamot sa'yo yung ganitong experience. I just also want to share how happy we are with the people that love us, everyone who's here at the party, and even those that are in Canada or are in other parts of the world who can't join us.
Una Bear Cat. This is your Pop-Up. We'll love you now and forever. Asahan mo yan. Giguide ka namin. Best way namin ni mama mo. At saka syempre with the guidance of sa best friend sa taas. Totodo natin yan. Sana ma-experience mo rin yung mga masarap na experience na na-experience namin sa buhay na to. Sobrang excited kami para sa'yo. Pakilala lahat, mga tao, experience mo. Ano yung best namin, bibigay namin sa'yo para maging masaya ka. Kasi masaya talaga mabuhay. Kaya excited kami para sa'yo. Happy birthday! I love you so much. Asahan mo yan. Basta, ikaw yung pinakamalupit, pinakamasayang nangyari sa akin sa buhay ko. I love you and wanna always bear.
But I want you to know on your first birthday and when pag napanood mo na to, pag mas malaki ka na kung gaano ka grateful ako for you coming into our lives kasi binago mo talaga yung buhay ko, binago mo kung sino ako. Hindi na ako yung same old. I always tell them, I'm not the same old. Ano ba? The same old Heidi that I once was. Hindi na ako yun. So, you turned me into a mom and there's no looking back. Siyempre parang it's not always easy. I will always remind you as you grow up na pinahirapan mo ako. But everything, lagi ko narinig to, it's all worth it. Pag napahawakan mo ni Mayo, it's all worth it. So parang napaka-cliche naman, pero yun, totoo siya talaga. So I'm thankful to God for blessing me and Ken with you, blessing our family with you. You are such a great little girl and
The best.
yeah, thank you for always being such a happy girl. Kahit na sabi nga ng mga tao, napakamahal ng smile mo. Parang kailangan bayaran pa para umiti. Pero para sa akin, para kay Ken, walang walang kailangan na do-over or start again or nanalo na kami sa jackpot, ganun yung feeling. So, thank you for being our baby. Kung hindi namin pinili magka-baby at that certain time, baka ibang baby dumating. It wouldn't have been you. So, thank you for being the best gift we ever could receive. And yan, happy birthday, happy first birthday, and we love you always, always. Be a good girl, okay?
Love you.
De palo.
Bear cat, bear cat.
Iti! Iti! High five! High five! Oy. Low five!
Una, say mama. Good, say papa.
No.
Oh, say papa. Say papa.
Papa!
Oh, beatbox.
Beatbox!